I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the environment and tools so fixes apply to the right runtime. Check Python and Jupyter versions, then activate the environment that runs your notebooks. Once active, upgrade pip and reinstall Jupyter components to reduce dependency mismatches. Create or refresh the ipykernel for that environment so kernels match packages. This prevents many import and kernel errors. After that, restart the terminal session and open the notebook to see which error messages persist. You now diagnose actively. Run Jupyter with debug logging and watch the browser console to capture stack traces and failing modules. When you see import errors, install the exact package versions used by the notebook. Mismatched versions cause subtle runtime failures. If kernels crash on start, reinstall or recreate the ipykernel and verify path and Python path point to the active environment. Once done, clear browser cache, restart Jupyter, and test a simple import cell to confirm resolution before proceeding. You finish by securing your work and locking the fix. Export notebooks, pin dependencies, and commit an environment file so the setup is reproducible. Make a final restart of Jupyter and run core cells to validate computations. If problems persist, trace errors in logs, fully reinstall Jupyter components, or rebuild the environment cleanly. These steps remove corrupted caches or conflicting installs. One key troubleshooting tip. If an error remains unexplained, run the notebook in a fresh environment to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.